Hi, this is Candia with Candia Hainsworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. And if you are watching this video, it must mean that you are a student registered in the Fall 2018 Embroidery Mentoring Program, and you are in receipt of Project 1. And so the box is going to look like this. So it's not really a big box, okay, but it is going to have my name on the top of it, and your shipping label is going to be here. All right, and so when you are opening this box, all of them are packed exactly the same way. I am using a blade, but you want to be very careful when you open it so you do not destroy the content that is inside of it, okay? And I am just trying to follow the opening here. And once again, they are all packed the same way. And it looks like this, okay? So when you open your box, you're going to see a protective sheet. The protective sheet is going to be my Candia Hainsworth label, and you're going to find your project contents, and you're going to find a special offer. Okay, now your project contents is just going to tell you what's inside of this box, and it's also going to tell you what you need. Okay, and some of these things are optional. However, this is what you're going to need, this and a combination to get this project done. And you really don't need a lot of things here because I pretty much provided what you need. However, I did say that you are going to be responsible for supplying your embroidery machine, obviously, as well as the bobbin. You can use a spray adhesive, but a lot of people don't like to use spray adhesive, so that is clearly optional. And I'm recommending that you use a white poster board or some kind of regular cardboard because you're going to need a structure for presentation, access to the internet to watch this video, but obviously you have that, and this video is going to be posted privately, and your computer to download the embroidery font, which is going to be that Candia font from Stitchtopia.com. You have received a free copy of it for registering in the Embroidery Mentoring Program. You're also going to need access to the internet to go to Stitchtopia.com, where you can purchase an embroidery design. However, you're going to be reimbursed for that embroidery applique. And so those are the things that you are going to need. I guess I should have had it like this so you could have seen that. And you're going to need some patience with this project because this is your first project. On the second page, it talks about an exclusive offer. All right, and so it gives you the instructions to I'm sorry, I'm jumbling up my words, on how to obtain that special offer. However, I want to add here because the special offer talks about adding the referral code, and I know that if you are already registered at Stitchtopia.com, you cannot use that referral code. So what you can do is screenshot your receipt, send it over to me at billing@CandiaHainsworth.com, or you can send it directly to CandiaHainsworth.com, and I will take care of it for you by getting you reimbursed for that embroidery applique. Now, the reimbursement does have a maximum rate up to $3, and her prices are very reasonable, so you should have no problem there. Okay, and so your kit is going to look like this. I guess I should turn it around so you can see. And so what you're going to have in your kit is you're going to have two little separate packets, and then your project, which is going to be your blanket. So we are going to be personalizing a baby's blanket. Okay, and so your content sheets is going to tell you that first you're going to get your white pre-made quilt blanket. You're going to be getting a 1.5 yard of ribbon. You're also going to be getting a 1/2 yard of embroidery stabilizer, and you're going to be getting a 12 by 12 fabric fat quarter for the applique itself. And then in this packet, you're going to be getting a lint brush roller, 2 threads, and these are brand new, as well as scissors. Okay, and so I'm going to open this all up. I'm going to upload my embroidery applique as well as the font, and I will meet you over at the embroidery machine.